back to another episode of Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration. In this episode we're going to be checking out an abandoned steel plant. This place is massive! But first, be sure to hit like and subscribe. If you're a regular viewer, you know I'm a huge fan of train tracks. And I've been following these train tracks and I found this massive tower at the end. Can you see it? It is massive. We're going to go and check that out. This tower must be at least 40 or 50 meters high. Well, actually, probably more than that. This tower must be at least 50 or 60 meters high, maybe even taller than that, and I can't wait to go and see if we can get in there. Let's go! One of the things I really love down this railway is just all of these lights like this. If we open it up, you see it's very old school. It's still working inside. It's quite a beautiful colour coming off it. I've really surprised myself today. I never thought that I would find a factory as big and as beautiful as Capital Steel in Beijing, but I've done it. This place seems to be a huge steelworks out here in the outskirts of Changchun, and this place is gigantic. It's got that real gritty industrial feeling like in the Alien films. I really love this place. Let's go and take a look around. Let's go! Right now you can see I'm between this carriage here and actually one of the huge machines. These carriages, they would carry slag and coal across the steelworks, and then it would be offloaded into the machines upstairs. Everywhere around me there's the sound of birds, dripping of water. It's been raining a lot. It's a little bit unnerving. It feels like I'm being followed, but this place is amazing. I really love it here. Shit, I just saw 4 security guards cruising around in a Buick people carrier. I'm sitting on one of these big empty carriages right now. I guess this would have been filled with slag. You slag! Or with coal. It gives me a pretty good position to check out if there's any security guards coming. I don't see anybody. But this complex is huge, so they might not be able to find me anyway. Jesus, these steps are really steep. Made it to the top of one of the conveyor towers. It's about 5 or 6 stories up, and it's just like all the way up. That was hard work. The Great Wall of China, actually. Let's take a look outside. Pretty sure I can hear sirens now. I think I need to go down again. Ah! God damn, this is so steep. I'm a bit disappointed that I didn't get to the green tower today. That thing looks as if it's at least 80 or 90 meters high. Can't wait to climb it. I'm definitely coming back here. Wait for part 2. If you want to come along on any of my urban explorations, please just leave a comment in the box below. Then we can get in touch and arrange a time that we can go out exploring together. Alright, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again for more Burbex, Brin's urban exploration again next week. Let's go! There's a big red train on the track. Now I'm happy. I don't know which way it's going. These guys look pretty young. Hello! Junana! Shit, I didn't know that line was live. I just realised I was totally walking down that line on the way in. I could have got hit. Shit!